I only see one right now. Is that him? That's him!
Yeah.
He's taking off again, he's taking off. Don't get out. Left side, left side. Try to shoot him. He's in the driver's seat. Oh! His buddies are below us and what's it called?
Has to wait for him to crash.
Do you think he had time to unload? Left side, he's turning into us.
Yep. I see.
He kept going, fucker.
You have to compensate so fucking much to actually be able to
Yeah.
hit him.
Okay, he's gonna try and go towards land now, I think. I can't see him right now.
Is he ramming us? He's ramming us.
I'm gonna try and recover.
Oh.
I'm probably gonna die. No way that just worked.
What the fuck happened? I'm so
He
deep in the
ran
water, I
us.
think. I'm drowning.
I'm right behind you.
I'm dead.
No way that worked. Did he just make it out and not die? No fucking way.
Dude, I'm drowning.
What sector was that
I'm
in?
dead.
What sector was that in?
Oh, outside! Two!
Oh shit.
3!
Two kids. One's
Rushing
rushing
Yoko.
Headshot him with a bow and arrow.
Is everyone alive?
Yeah.
I shot one of them.
Yep. Up, straight up. Oh fuck, tree.
Oh, I ran out. I need more low grade.
Okay, I'll put it in. Okay, you've got 25 low grade to get as high as you can and kamikaze into a cliff.
Or their house. Kamikaze to their
Dude,
house.
put it into their house! Put it into their base!
Yes, kamikazing their house.
Hard as you can, fast as you can. Try to roll it.
the front door.
Try to roll it on its side. Try to roll it on its side. No one's getting there. Oh fuck, he missed so bad.